So we're going to have a quick look at the toilet that's supplied of all of the MDC camper range. Simple unit, lid, place your bottom on there of course, handle to pull out when it's in use, close it back up to stop the smell coming back out. On the back here we've got our plunger, fill the chemicals up here that you would purchase separately. We're going to drain it from here. When you want to empty the toilet, simply a matter undo these two clips, lift the unit off. Now you can see where the flap's working now. And to empty, just take it to the convenient spot to empty, remove the lid of course, empty the contents, put some new chemicals back in, you're away to go. I recommend that when you're using the toilet, if you're traveling, travel with it empty. We don't want to have any accidents going through some rough terrain. So I've got the solar panel, it comes with some of our models of camper trailers. Simple thing to maintain. With the surface, always make sure it's clean. A layer of dust across that will decrease the efficiency quite dramatically. The solar panel is a regulated unit. You'll see we've got our Anderson plug that plugs directly into the drill bar with the regulator in here. So the solar panel is meant to go on the ground. We've got these couple of arms here that support it when it sits down. Basically a simple matter, onto the ground, open, your solar panel set up. You will nearly always be facing the solar panel to the northern part of the hemisphere. Our sun tends to move across in that arc over there. So keep away from the trees, give it maximum light, you get maximum efficiency out of it. So to hook our solar panel up, you've got into the sun, a bit of a lead to run out. You can get extension leads for them as well, depending on how many trees are around. But simply just plug in together, it's ready to go and charge your batteries. So here I've got the hot water system that comes with our Jackson and Cruiser range. Simple unit, I'll take you through a few connections in a moment. It's meant to be a freestanding unit, so you've got a hoop on the back here. Either hang it up off the boat rack or even from a tree. You're going to need a separate water pump to supply it water and a bucket for the water to go into, and a gas bottle to separately run it. So we've got our three connections across the bottom, our gas, water input, and our shower rose. Simply a matter of screwing the attachment on, including your gas, hook the other end up to our gas bottle. Water input comes from the pump that you need to supply. And over here we've got our two batteries to go in for the ignition. Simply a matter of undoing that, sliding the two batteries, just watch the polarity. Simple ignition to turn it on. Controls our gas flow. The burner high and low will give us two different temperature ratings that will come onto here, and we control our water flow through here. So when we've got our hot water system up and running, to control the water flow at the head, simply push in and out till you get the control you want, or turn it off altogether. So folks, one little safety feature I've got to mention. The flue here, or chimney, whatever you want to call it, puts out a lot of hot air. Do not put it anywhere where it's going to let anything catch on fire, have anything sitting on top of it, or up against the canvas wall of the annex. It will catch fire with something. So keep it well clear in a ventilated area.